Today's tour features a beautifully remodeled home right here in the Progress Ridge area where Tigard intersects with Beaverton. But before we head inside, I have to show you the neighborhood. It's no surprise so many people are drawn to this community. Whether you're catching a movie at AMC, grabbing coffee, stopping by the shops and restaurants, or strolling around the Progress Lake, everything you need is just minutes away. And with parks and trails and top-rated Beaverton schools nearby, this location really does check all the boxes. As you step inside, you'll see why this home feels so special. And something about it feels like a happy home to me. It's been thoughtfully updated from top to bottom, with most major systems upgraded between 2021 and 2024. The kitchen and dining room really are the heart of this home and where the most beautiful and charming details can be found. It might remind you of TV design shows. Upstairs, you will find 3 bedrooms and a bonus room with flexible options to fit your lifestyle. Outside, a newer Trex deck with a cover to let the light in is oh so practical in our Oregon weather. The spacious lot has areas for play, relaxing, and even a raised bed area that is already planted so that you can harvest vegetables when you move in. I guess you could say everything about this home is truly move-in ready. Thank you for visiting this pretty and practical home with me today. If you'd like more information or would like to see it in person, please reach out. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate.